1, 2, 3, come on.
Hello there! Hi, how are you doing? Are you okay? What's your name?
My name is Yahya.
Yahya. So today we're going to unbox the Super Mario Underground Diorama set. Wow! Oh, you have also another Mario.
Had Mario.
Oh, these are two Marios. You have a third Mario here. Where is his hat? I know there's a hat here, but he doesn't have one over here. Oh my god, oh, we have another Mario on the cart. Plus, who is this character? Who is this? Luigi. Hello, Yahya. How are you doing? Oh, M is for?
Look, you have to M.
M is for Mario.
Look, M hat.
Say it with me. M is for?
Mario.
L is for? Luigi.
Look, and Mario.
Okay, so today we're going to unbox this new toy, the Underground Diorama set. Okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, let's do this! Okay, Yahya, are you ready to take out the Diorama Underground set? Yeah, let's do this. Take it slowly. Use both of your hands. Hold it from here. Yes. Wow, check it out. What are the characters? What's the name of this character? Do you know what's the name of this? Okay, let's check out the names. Do they have any names?
A name.
Oh man, this is a water pipe. I actually forgot these names. Do you know what the names of these two characters?
Wait, you open this.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, first, okay, wait, take it easy. First, you need to pull out, yeah, slowly. Wow, this is called the water pipe. What's it called? Water pipe.
Wow.
Can you pull this out? Wait, I think I can push them from behind. Oh, here you go. The other one. Ah, I forget. I'm gonna crush it. Ah. wait, let me try my other hand. Wait. I'm gonna press hard. Pull! Yay! The last character. Here we go. And finally, be careful, kids, not to hurt yourself. Okay? Throw that.
Wow.
Okay? This is called the Underground Diorama set. Okay? Wow.
What's this? Where? Wait. How do you stick it?
Oh, I know. You put this. I think you put this. Then you pull it down just like the picture over here. See? You just pull it down.
Oh.
See?
Okay.
Okay, and this. What do you do with these two? It says here you can pull them.
Pull.
Wait. Oh, okay. See. Wait. See?
Wow. Wait, I can hear all of these.
Wow. Do you like Mario?
Wait here.
Do you like Mario? Yahya.
Wow.
So everybody, if you just tuned in, this is How To Kids Learning Through Gaming, guys. Hope you're enjoying this video. Today we just unboxed the Underground Diorama set. Okay. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe below. And hopefully you guys enjoy these videos. Please, if you have any comments, please comment below and hit on the notification button for future videos. Okay, yeah, say bye. Say bye for the camera.
Bye.
Bye, YouTube.
Nice YouTube. Wow. Oh. Wow.
Wait.
Smile.
بخر بخر. Oh.
White.
حط هنا. ويت 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 ويت.
أنا وقفت تحت المسجد.
ويت ويت. لا 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 عدي. ابي صورة بس صورة. لا لا خلها شوي برا.